and my roll number is 11. I'm doing mini project on online bookstore under the guidance of Dr. Jayana Prasad sir. This is my abstract. Using this application, the customers can buy the books using internet by sitting at home. Usually, if the book reader, if they want to buy a book, they should visit the bookstores, and they have to go to the book content. And if they want to purchase the book, they does the payment and get the book home. To overcome this physical visit to the bookstores, we use this applications to visit the bookstores virtually and make the payment. Existing system. In the existing system, all this process is done manually, and they save the information in the form of Excel sheets and describes. No sharing is possible if the data is in the form of paper. In the manual system gives us very less security. Some of the data may be lost due to mismanagement, like theft or something else. There is no rich user interface. In this system, user physically visit the bookstalls to buy the books. Searching of a particular information will be critical and takes a lot of time. There is no communication facility between user of this system. The user cannot able to restrict the information. There is no report generation also. In the proposed system, user-friendly interface is provided, and the system makes the overall project management much easier and flexible. It can be accessed over the internet. The customers, orders, books information, files, everything will be stored into the centralized database, which can be maintained by the system. In this system, customer can visit the bookstalls virtually and select the books. Authentication is provided for this application. Only the registered users can access the site. There is no risk of data management at any level while the project development is under process. These are models. Admin, customer, authentication, reports, registration, and order. Module descriptions. Administrator can add new category details, can add and update the courier vendor details, and he's going to add a new book details like book name, author, publish details, etc. He will receive the request from the customer as payment of the book, and he will receive the payment of from the customer for the delivery of the book through card. Admin search for the book details, name wise, author wise, like that. And customer can also register to the site. He can log into the system. He can go through the book virtually and view the book images, details, can select book based on the category, and can place orders of the book after selection. He can pay the book price using online payment. Customers can also search for the books name wise or author wise, like that. Orders. The customer can place orders which will be stored into the database, and records will be maintained. Registration. This system has a process of registration which every user need to submit his complete details in the form of registration. Whenever a user registration completed automatically, he or she will get a user ID and password. By using this user ID and password, you can log into the system. Reports. Different kinds of reports are generated, like admin customer reports, category item reports, and request status reports. Authentication. Only authenticate, like authentication is nothing but providing security to the system. Like only those users who have registered and whose details are present in the database will be allowed to enter into the application. Software specifications. Windows 10 operating system, MySQL database, Chrome client is, I'm using Chrome, and tools XAMPP. User interfaces, like in front end, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, and PHP, web server, Apache, client-side scripting, JavaScript. Hardware specifications. Intel Core i5 processor, 4 GB RAM, 80 GB hard disk. This is my DFD level 0. In this application, admin, customer, categories, items, admin and customer can log into the site, and they can perform these things. Like admin can add and view categories, add and view book items, and the customer can order and make payment. DFD level 1, he can open login form, and he can enter name and password. It will check with the validations. If it's correct, check user in the database. If he is present, he will be allowed to into his home site. Otherwise, he'll go back to the login page. Second level of DFD, admin. Admin can enter into after entering into the home page, he can add and view categories, add and view items, uh, view orders, and view customers. All those data will be stored into the database. He can store and retrieve the information from the database. In the same way, customer can log into the user homepage, and he can view categories, view book items, and order and payment. He can make order and payment, and he can also view and update his profile. All those data will be present in the database, and you can store and retrieve from there. These are my output screens. This is my home page. This is login page, registration page, and home page of the admin after logging in, and customer login page, registration after entering into the customer homepage. And this is forgot password, change password. This is registration database. Thank you. So